Hi everyone. Today we are going to practice the phonetic sound E. Remember that we are focusing on the phonetic alphabet. Notice that it looks like the letter I in the regular English alphabet, but in the phonetic alphabet, this symbol is pronounced E. Tips on how to pronounce E. Open your mouth just a little, spread your lips into a smile, and push your tongue forward in your mouth. E is a long sound. Move your tongue up a little as you say it. Now we are going to practice two sets of words. The first set has a longer sound than the second set. Longer sounds of the letter E. T, 3, cheese, bean, seal. Shorter sound of the letter E. Meat, peach, Greek, pizza, coffee. In these words, the E sound on the left are longer than the ones on the right. Listen and repeat. Longer sound of E. C, please, cream. Shorter sound of E. Eat, beef, complete. Stress syllables in words. A syllable is a single unit of speech, either a whole word or one of the parts into which a word can be separated, usually containing a vowel. In English, words with more than one syllable have a longer, a louder, and slower sound than the other syllables in the word. For instance, the words repeat and pizza. Repeat is stressed in the second syllable, and pizza is stressed in the first syllable. In the following example, the words on the left are stressed in the first syllable, and the ones on the right are stressed in the second. Listen and repeat. Pizza, coffee, cheesecake, people, really, season, ready, evening. Repeat, complete, believe, repeal, receipt, machine, police, receive. Now let's go over the sound and spelling. The sound E is usually spelled with the following letters. It could be like double E, EA, E, E, and then a letter, and then E. Could be Y, IE, EI, EY, I, EO. Now let's go over each way that the sound E can be spelled. Double E. C, agree, B, fee, 3, cheese. Double E with numbers 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. EA. Eat, seat, team, cream, dream, tea, repeat, please. E, meter, Peter, museum, European, Chinese, me, we, equal. E with the letter in the middle and then E. These, complete, evening. Y, pretty, very, only, ready. Y with numbers 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. IE, field, peace, brief, niece, achieve, believe, movie. EI, receive, either, neither, receipt, leisure, conceive. EY, key, money, honey, turkey, kidney. I, ski, pizza, leader, police, magazine, visa, machine, taxi. EO, people, theory, theorem. That concludes our lesson on the phonetic sound E. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much for watching.